To clean the USB-C port on the Realme GT 7 Pro, first of all, we need to power off our device. When the screen goes black, wait around 10 seconds till it's fully off, and then we can take a look on the USB-C drive. As you can see, it's very dirty, and in this case I'll be using the SIM ejection tool. That's the metal, so the metal is not recommended to actually clean anything from your USB-C charging port, but I'm gonna do it. You can do it on your own risk. If you have something else that is thin enough and it's not metal, you can try using it. And now we can just stick it in there and try to remove the dust, just like that.